Bonjour people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss why someone should invest in Cardano, its positive aspects, and why it is cheaper but beneficial cryptocurrency. There are a lot of videos out there describing it, but we're going to keep the video simple and understandable. Here you'll get all the details about what Cardano is. Cardano ADA is a blockchain platform based on a proof-of-stake consensus protocol called OUROBOROS that approves transactions without high energy costs. The blockchain's native token ADA is named after the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace. Cardano was unpredictable last year. It had an exceptionally low level of long-term holders of 6.95% that held Cardano for over 1 year. This had a massive impact on the price of Cardano in 2021. Make sure you stay to the very end, as you don't want to miss what Cardano has in the box for investors like you. Before we start, if you like this type of content, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you wouldn't miss out on new updates. OUROBOROS. The core of any blockchain platform is the algorithm it uses to create blocks and validate transactions. Cardano utilizes OUROBOROS, an algorithm that utilizes proof-of-stake protocol to mine blocks. It is the backbone of the Cardano blockchain. The protocol is intended to lessen energy use during the block production process to a minimum. It does this by eliminating the requirement for hash power or massive computing resources that are key to the working of the proof-of-work algorithm utilized by Bitcoin. Cardano's native virtual currency ADA is alluded to as stake, and instead of miners, there are ADA stakeholders in the Cardano ledger. Cardano's POS framework utilizes a randomized process to elect a stakeholder to produce a block, given the weight of the stake recorded in the ledger. A block of time in the Cardano blockchain is an epoch, and the singular units of time inside an epoch are slots. Not all stakeholders have the skill to create a block if elected. In this way, stakeholders can pool their resources by delegating their stake to stake pools. The managers of these stake pools, known as stake pool operators, oversee blockchain production during slots where the stake designated to them is elected by the OUROBOROS algorithm. These rewards are then consequently shared with the stakeholder. Cardano and IOG. Cardano organization has seen the reaction from clients and critics guaranteeing that it has neglected to rapidly present dApps and project fit for utilizing its smart contracts capabilities. Notwithstanding, Cardano is reportedly the best peer-reviewed engineered blockchain of the third series. As the marketing and communications director for Input Output Global (IOG), Tim Harrison revealed, the Cardano project has over 67 active repositories, with 106 releases, over 38,000 GitHub commitments, and more. Harrison said, Cardano is the most active project to date. That's just core work. With community tools, scripts, APIs, and a fast-expanding dApp ecosystem, there are hundreds more repos out there, steadily filling with code from every corner of the community. In that sense, IOG delivered a list of projects already building use cases on Cardano, which included decentralized exchanges, DEX, identity, blockchain gaming, an Oracle service, and others. The organization asserted that designers have been working anxiously on these implementations, and it will surely help Cardano rise in the crypto market again. Among the list of projections, the organization referenced ADAX, a decentralized exchange based on Cardano and inspected by cybersecurity firm BTC Block. Furthermore, DripDraws, a platform for token conveyance boundaries, and Marty, a platform to send blockchain solutions, made it to the list. Price analysis. The crypto market as a whole has been going up. Cardano ADA has currently been a downward trend for the past few weeks, currently hovering around the $1.05 mark. This means Cardano is currently sitting as the 7th largest coin in terms of market capitalization at the time of this recording. Now, let's talk about the facts and figures of the coin through graphical analysis. On the 8th of November 2021, Cardano spiked at $227 USD, and it has been decreasing ever since. By December 2021, the price of Cardano was 1.7 USD, and then it decreased. As of the 26th of December 2021, Cardano spiked to 1.5129 USD again, which is the highest in recent times. Current state. Let's talk about the current state of the coin. In September 2021, the price of Cardano spiked to $3, which is an all-time high for the coin, but it has been decreasing ever since. However, those with somewhat more appetite for risk might consider adding a part of their holdings to cryptocurrency such as Cardano. The investors that are investing in Cardano should fasten their safety belts and be prepared for an uneven ride. Ecosystem of Cardano. Cardano was released back in 2017. Since then, Cardano continues to be one of the most active ecosystems in the crypto industry, but it lacked in the department of marketing. Cardano never utilized their smart contract capabilities. When we check out Cardano holders versus speculators through blockchain information, Cardano's number of active addresses is likewise a warning for the digital currency. Cardano ecosystem has evolved rapidly over the years, but still it does not have a native decentralized exchange, or DEX, like those found in other blockchain networks. The responsibilities are shared by Cardano's partners, the Cardano Foundation, IOHK, and Emergo. The Cardano Foundation, a not-for-profit organization, is the legal custodian responsible for the primary oversight and supervision of the Cardano brand. The foundation advances the visibility of the protocol on the global stage, cultivates use case opportunities, and connects with policymakers, regulators, and academia. IOHK is a software engineering and technology company responsible for building Cardano, with a research arm dedicated to promoting blockchain education. IOHK works closely with academic partners to not only further its educational mission, but also improve the long-term scalability of the Cardano protocol by using the most recent peer-reviewed scientific research to inform platform updates before implementation. Emergo is the global technology partner responsible for driving the commercial adoption of the Cardano protocol, integrating business across a wide range of sectors into the blockchain system. Emergo, in cooperation with the project Ergo, came up with the concept of oracle pools. Oracles provide inputs and the pool aggregate the inputs to create a single output. The output can be sent to a smart contract or to another oracle pool that is higher in the hierarchy. DEX, smart contracts, and oracle pools, along with blockchain gaming, will be included in the infrastructure of Cardano in the future. Why should an investor choose Cardano? Cardano is a third-generation future-proof blockchain platform that solves three big pain points: interoperability, scalability, and sustainability. It aims to fulfill different deployment use cases that are otherwise beyond the capacities of first- and second-generation blockchains. Scalability. This is one of the larger issues with POW blockchains, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. Even though the initial version of Ethereum addresses some of the scalability issues of Bitcoin, it is still not capable of handling millions of new users. With the launch of Ethereum 2.0, the network could eventually handle up to 100,000 transactions per second. But Cardano is working to reach millions of transactions per second thanks to Hydra, a second-layer solution built on top of OUROBOROS. Second-layer solutions are additionally protocols built on top of a blockchain that performs certain tasks to reduce the workload for the main chain. Interoperability. Cardano wants to solve the lack of proper interoperability among blockchains. Most blockchain networks are independent and cannot communicate with each other because they use different architectures and coding languages. Ethereum achieves interoperability within its ecosystem of tokens created to adhere to a specific standard, usually ERC20. Cardano plans to build true interoperability so any user can move Bitcoin to Ethereum without intermediaries and friction. This can theoretically be achieved through sidechains, which means Cardano will allow multiple currencies to exist side by side and seamlessly move across multiple chains, be it Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Ethereum itself. It will also allow the addition of metadata to a transaction and will define who made the transaction. Sustainability. Every blockchain needs ongoing improvements, but who can fund developers willing to work on new upgrades if the network is fully decentralized? Cardano aims to solve this issue with a treasury. Whenever a block is mined, a minor part of the ADA rewards will eventually go to the separate wallet, and when someone wants to propose changes to the network, they can submit a ballot and ask for grants. The treasury is not controlled by any single entity, but works on a fair voting system run by smart contracts to allocate funds to developers. ADA stakeholders vote and decide if the proposal should be granted or not. Conversely, the Ethereum Foundation, which has a major influence on how Ethereum works and where the network is heading, is a centralized organization. Investors must choose Cardano, as it will surely arise in the future. If Cardano achieves these three basic points, then even Ethereum can't compete with it. This was my overview of Cardano. Tell me about your views in the comments section. See you in the next video.